All right, what up, guys? I'm back, Roadrunners TV, back at it again. You already know. So basically, with the Supra, it's we got it. We bought a battery from Walmart. We put it on the car, and now the car's moving fine. Not fine, you know. Obviously, still has problems, but we got it to run, and we got it to my boy's house. We're gonna keep it there at my boy's house, and I guess we're just gonna work on it from there. But I'm gonna show you guys the Supra and everything in a little bit, but as of right now, I'm taking my car to my boy Anthony. It needs an oil change. For some reason, it kept popping up. That I needed an oil change. Just to change engine oil soon. For some reason, I mean, I just changed my oil like 3,000 miles ago. Back when I was at like 7,000 miles, but I guess I'm guessing I need another oil change. So we're gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys the Supra after. So let's go. And my boy moving my car for me. The Supra has made it home. They ended up just throwing a battery in it from Walmart, and it ended up moving somehow. I don't know how, but
it's gonna start right up. You'll see.
Yeah, so I guess we're guessing the battery was the biggest problem. So right now we're just moving everything out the way. I forgot to show you guys this, but this is the Miata that I was talking about. This is actually one of the cleanest Miatas. It looks like it came straight out of the dealership. He got it for, I'm not gonna talk about the price he got it for, but trust me, he got it for a really good price. They're actually gonna build this motor, completely build it, engine swap it with a LS3.
Probably LS1.
LS1, LS3.
Or a smaller turbo, depends what we can make fit.
Yeah, so we're just gonna see what fits in there. We're gonna do the measurements. We're gonna see what's going on with that. But right now he's about to start up the Supra, and we're about to get this moving and, you know, check everything out with it. Started right away, surprisingly. I guess the battery was the biggest problem, huh?
Yes. The alternator was weak.
Yeah.
And we got no lights.
So I'm guessing the battery was the biggest problem of this car. So when they did switch it out, it did actually start, because now it just starts like normal. But there is still a lot of problems with this car that we're gonna get fixing on, and we're gonna get ready. But for right now, they're gonna mess around. They're gonna take it out. I'm gonna get some clips of it driving, but they're gonna take it out and see how it drives. And you know, hopefully it drives good and there's not as many problems as we think. But do your lights work? Turn them on. You got your fogs on. That's so sick. Reminds me of the Miata. Oh, there it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna make more. I'm gonna make a video just for the Miata soon, as soon as we start it. Yeah, but as of right now, it's just gonna sit here for a little bit until we get this fixed up. Once we get this fixed up, we're gonna start on this before we actually start on this. So we got big plans coming up for the Miata, though. None of you guys want to miss it. Trust me.
Hey, you want to get the power steering?
Oh yeah, that's another problem. Yeah, that power steering is bad. All right, so we're gonna get this out of here. I'm gonna get some clips of it driving, some clips of it moving. It's the cleanest for what we got it for. That's all I'm gonna say. It's the cleanest for what we got it for. You will never find a Supra like this for the price we got it for.
Unpack that, baby.
Yep. So we're gonna take it out, and I'll see you guys.
Go, I got it. Let go.
Damn, bro.
You sure you want to get in the back?
You be mobbing, huh?
Is this your stuff? No, it's not my stuff. Don't throw it in my face. It's nasty.
Wait, let's see the tools he gave us. The stuff he gave us.
Bro, he gave me spark plugs.
All right, guys, so this is...
He gave me head studs.
I mean, he hooked us up a little bit. He gave us a...
Because it does need the head gasket changed, so he gave us head studs for it.
You see what happened to my bike?
He gave us a new timing belt over there. And a new power steering belt.
Oh, shit, bro. They gave us the whole...
Why did he give you a pulley?
Is this a pulley?
Let me see.
Oh, shit. We just discovered something, boys. Oh, shit. They got to start recording. All right, you guys.
Maybe that's why he gave so many extra belts.
These are pulleys, my boy.
Oh, shit. Hey, wait. What does that mean, though?
It's for the belt. So I let it go. Smooth and out.
Yeah.
So we got a new pulley right there. There's some other shit in here, dog.
Look. Got a timing chain.
Give us some nice spark plugs.
Timing chain. Look, timing belt.
Damn, he didn't give us no fuel injectors.
For what?
About to run E85 on the Supra.
What's this?
Let me see.
Another.
belt?
Yeah, another
Yeah, it's
belt.
about- How many belts did he give you?
I don't know, bro. I'm putting it all in.
Shit.
Put all the belts in.
No, I mean, I'm gonna do the main.
He's gonna have extra belts because he got the
Electro speaking facts.
I'm saying, like, I'm gonna replace. This is most likely looks like a valve cover gasket.
That looks like an aux cord.
No, it's valve cover gasket.
Are you gonna fix the seat? Open it, open it.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. You already tearing this bitch
Hey,
apart.
are you getting in the back?
Yes, bro.
Okay. Perfect.
Damn. You guys see how they horse me? They just make me go sit in the fucking back.
Yo, language.
Oh, shit, my bad. I'm not trying to get demonetized. I'll cut it out.
How are you gonna say oh and then cuss when I just said language?
All right, you guys, we in the soupy, the Buki. Can barely fit in this.
Is this a Supra?
Smack my car and I'll kill you.
Yo,
Yo.
Is this a Supra?
Bro, you cannot fit in this damn car. Oh my God, I cannot fit.
Lay sideways.
Bro, what are you saying?
Bro, what are you saying? This
Gosh.
is a Supra. Don't talk to us right now.
Look how Shady drives.
We're in a Supra.
Yeah, I gotta drive with one hand on the high beams.
All right, that doesn't sound good.
It's the power steering. And we can't see.
You almost hit my truck.
Fucking truck.
I'll run this car over and then no longer be a Supra.
That'll be fun.
Hit BP.
Hey, battery lights on.
All the battery lights on? You think we should still go, bro?
It's too late.
Just go. It's too late.
Oh, you gotta kick it a little bit for the YouTube video.
You gotta hit it, bro. Hit it right here on this turn.
We're on safe roads in Mexico. Please don't do this at
Oh
home.
yeah, this is Mexico, guys. So don't do it.
We are the cartel.
No, we're not the cartel.
We are the cartel.
It's not.
All right, so it's running pretty good, huh?
Is
Is the temperature good?
Well, yeah, we just started driving. Let's see how long it's gonna take for us to fucking blow.
Yeah, try not to
Family
overheat
friendly,
it.
please.
Huh?
Family friendly, stop cussing.
All right, you guys. So it's running pretty good. I mean,
It's very filthy.
yeah, it's really disgusting in here.
Really?
But I mean, we didn't really wash it.
Here
Or,
is not that bad. We're talking
I mean-
about the exterior.
I mean, we didn't really wash it or anything. You
I
can
can't
tell by
see
the damn
shit out
windshield.
the
You
damn
can't see
windshield.
anything. But
Too straight.
I mean, it's running pretty good for it not even moving at all 2 days ago when we first got it. Now it's driving. I think it's because Electro is sitting in the car.
Punch it?
We need to turbo this ASAP. Yes, sir. We like that, bro. We like that. We like
Is
that.
that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Jay-Z?
We like that, bro. Hey, that 1JZ sounds
Not a
amazing.
1JZ. I told you it's not a 1JZ.
Yeah, I know.
It's an inline 6.
Hey, it's a 7B though. It's not a 1JZ.
You
Okay.
think it's a 1JZ.
But yeah, are we not allowed to think it's not a 1JZ? Oh yeah, sorry guys, I said 2JZ in the last video like 4 times. It's not a 2JZ, but
It's inline 6.
just let us be happy and enjoy the moment that we have a Supra.
I smell the gas. Smells amazing.
I smell the oil.
I smell the coolant.
I smell the
Oil,
oil.
gas,
Oil.
everything.
I smell the power steering.
Little mixture of a Supra. Got
Yeah,
the-
oh my god, it smells like it's about to blow the... Bro, it smells like Shaddy's bathroom.
I mean, it's running great, bro. You can't cap.
No, it actually is, bro.
Smells
It's
like
running amazing. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm
Move it.
actually so excited.
It smells like Shady's room when I walked in.
Shit. All right, so overall the car drove amazing. We thought it wasn't gonna drive good because of, you know, the problems that it did have, but it turns out the problems are really little. These are problems that we could fix in a couple of days. So that's probably what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix it in a couple of days. So right now he's putting it back in the garage. We're gonna wash it tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when we wash it. Peace out.